children, welcome back to your English class. Today we are going to study about a lesson and the name of the lesson is Hums is Hum. Unit number 14, Hums is Hums. Open the page number 78 children. I will read the lesson, you also read it later. Long ago, the camels did not work at all. If someone asked them to work, they simply used to say hums. Also, they were very proud of their back. One day, a horse asked a camel to trot. He said hums. On another day, a dog asked him to sing a song. He said hums. During the ploughing period, an ox asked him to plough. He said hums. This way, all the animals in the deserts became unhappy with him. They reached the ruler of the deserts. The ruler of deserts was none other than Zinni. Hearing the complaint against a camel, the Zinni asked the bear, "Is it right that he is a lazy animal?" Everyone said, "Yes, he is." The fox said, "He never works, he always says hums." Page number 79 children. The Zinni called for the animal. The Zinni found the camel. "My friend, what is that I hear? You seem to do no work. It's been 3 days since you have not worked." The camel said hums. The Zinni sat down with his chin in his hand and began to think of some magic. The camel looked at his own reflection in the pool of water. It again said hums. But no sooner the camel said it, he saw his back puffing up. A great big hump grew. "Do you see that?" said the Zinni. "That's your own hump that you have got. This is made out of a purpose. The 3 days you did not work. Now you will be able to work for 3 days without eating and drinking because you can live on your humps." From that day, the camel always wears a hump. But from that day, the camels have learned to work hard, so not to hurt their feelings. We call their humps as a hump. So now the explanation part of the lesson. Long ago, the camels did not work at all. Long ago means since from many days the camels did not work at all. If someone asked them to work, they simply used to say hums. If anyone asked them to do the work, they was giving the reason that it is having hums. And they were very proud of their back. Their back means that is hump. They was feeling very proud of their back. One day what will happen? A horse will ask a camel to trot. Trot means run. At that time the camel will answer hums. Means I am having a hump, I am unable to run. It will give the reason. So another day what will happen? Dog will ask camel to sing a song. Here the camel will give the reason that is hums. He is having hump that he is unable to sing. Then the other day an ox will ask the camel to plough the field. The reason again will be hump only. So in this way what will happen? All the animals that they are living in the deserts became very unhappy with this camel. So they reach the ruler of the desert. So if any complaint is there, they will reach, means we will come and tell that complaint to the head of the office. So here the head is, the ruler of the desert is Zinni. All the animals will come near the Zinni and tell this complaint that whenever we tell him to do the work, he is often answering that he is having humps. Hearing the complaint against a camel, the Zinni asked the bear. By hearing the complaint of the camel, what the Zinni will do means, he want to understand, means he want to clarify that whether the animal is lazy or what. So the Zinni will ask the bear that, is it right that he is a lazy animal? Yes, the answer will be, everyone said yes, he is. The fox said he never works. Not only bear will answer, even the fox will also say that he never works. Whenever we ask him to do the work, he always says hums. He will give the reason as hum. As you do in the class, children, whenever we ask you whether you have done the homework, your answer will be the book is in home. Yes, or I was absent yesterday. So the reason how you are giving in the class, in the same way the camel is giving that it is having hum. Next page, children. Zinni called the camel. So to clarify the doubt, what the Zinni, the ruler of the desert, will do means, he will call the camel and he will ask, what is it that I hear? You seem to do no work. Since from 3 days you are not at all working. The Zinni will ask to the camel. At that time also, the answer of the camel is hums. It will give the reason, I am having humps. The Zinni sat down. Even the Zinni was fed up of this camel, and he sat down with his chin in his hand and began to think of some magic. The camel looked at his own reflection in the pool of water. There in front of them only there was a pool of water. What that camel will do means, it will see the reflection, pratibimba. It will see the reflection in the pool of water. It again said hums. So the reason was hum. But no sooner the camel said it, he saw his back puffing. So no sooner when he will say the hum, the camel, when it will see his own reflection in the pool of water, he saw his back that is hum is puffing. Puff means that ubdangavu. A great big hump grew. What will happen? A big hump will grow. Means it will become very big. Do you see that? Said the Zinni. What the Zinni will say means here, do you see that? Your hump is growing up. That's your own hump that you have got. It's your own hump you have got. That is made out of a purpose. It is the part of your body only. So it is your own hump that you have got it. The 3 days you did not work. Why you got this? You did not work for 3 days. Now you will be able to work for 3 days without eating and drinking, because you can live on your hump. What that Zinni will say means here, since from 3 days you did not work, so I will wish you that you will be able to work for 3 days without having anything and without drinking water. You can live on your hump. Means the storage, the hump is called as a storage for that camel. So from that day, the camel always wears a hump. Dear children, from that day what happened means here, the camel will wear a hump on his back. It's an imaginary story, children. Okay, children. But from that day, the camels have learned to work hard. So, here the Zinni will make the camel, will clarify the camel that it is your own hump, that you have got it. You can do the work with the help of your hump, means you can do the work. It will not hurt, it will not do anything for you if you do the work. Don't give the reason that is you are having hump. No. So, from that day onwards, the camel started to work hard, very hard. So, not to hurt their feelings, we call their humps a hump. So, don't make them or don't hurt their feelings, because it is the part of the body of the camel, that hump is there. From that day, we started to call that humps a hump. It is having an hump. So some children we see they will be having backside puffing and everything. So they have got that all. If some are very good and very nice, some are not nice. Something will be happen in their head and something will be happen in their back. The puffing will be there on their back. So they have got it. They are having it. God has given it. So don't hurt those children when they will be with you. So children, this is an imaginary story. This is an imaginary story. I think you have understood the lesson clearly. Read the lesson, children. Thank you so much.